today I'm going to fix some kale for the very first time, along with some mushrooms, onions, and red pepper. I have garlic salt, cilantro leaves, chopped chives, and chopped onions, you guys. I'm going to turn the grease on to about 8. Let the grease simmer for a minute. Then I will add the kale to it, you guys. This is my first time. Just keep that in mind. So I don't know how it's going to come out, but I hope that it's going to be good. I'm adding my mushrooms, onions, and red bell pepper. I love me some vegetable seasoning, you guys. Something organic that God grew. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to add my seasonings to it. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to add all natural organic seasoning. It makes the food taste better, y'all. I'm gonna add a little garlic salt, not too much, just to even it out among the food. And I like to add, my cilantro and all the all-natural seasonings, baby. If you haven't tried these all-natural seasonings yet, go to your local Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, Kroger, and get the seasonings off the shelf and add them to your food. It make them taste delicious. It adds a lot of flavor, you guys. I'ma mix this here stuff up, y'all. You see all the different colors in it? The colors. When you see the colors, baby, you know that it's going to be delicious. Now look and see what I fixed, baby. With the oranges on the side. Yes, love. Charles, your lunch is ready.